Tesla vehicles are equipped with an array of cameras, up to 12 depending on the model, serving as their primary sensors for advanced driver assistance systems and safety features. These cameras are strategically placed around the vehicle to capture a complete 360-degree view, acting as the primary eyes for the car's systems. The cameras enable real-time processing by Tesla's AI, supporting features like Autopilot for navigation, Sentry Mode for security, Dashcam for recording, and Parking Assist for maneuvering. Drivers can access live camera views through the Tesla app, providing remote monitoring capabilities. The cameras integrate seamlessly with the vehicle's dashboard, displaying real-time visual data for enhanced safety and convenience. Overall, Tesla's approach emphasizes camera-based vision over traditional sensors processed by advanced AI for autonomous and safety features. Tesla's Autopilot system relies on up to 8 external cameras to create a comprehensive view of the vehicle's surroundings. These cameras work together to detect important elements like lane markings, traffic signs, pedestrians, cyclists, and other vehicles on the road. The cameras capture visual data from every angle, providing the system with the information it needs to understand the driving environment in real time. Using this visual information, Autopilot enables several key features, including adaptive cruise control that maintains safe following distances, lane-keeping assistance that helps stay in the lane, and automated lane changes when conditions are safe. At the heart of this system is machine learning technology that processes the camera inputs and converts them into precise driving commands, allowing the vehicle to respond intelligently to changing road conditions. Sentry Mode is Tesla's security feature that activates the vehicle's cameras when parked to monitor and record the surroundings. This provides continuous surveillance to protect your vehicle from theft or vandalism. Sentry Mode uses infrared-capable cameras, particularly on the side mirrors and rear of the vehicle, to detect motion, intrusions, or vandalism. These cameras work effectively in low-light conditions, providing reliable surveillance even at night. When activated, Sentry Mode displays a recording indicator on the vehicle's touchscreen, showing that the system is actively monitoring the area. If the system detects any unusual activity, it immediately alerts the vehicle owner through the Tesla mobile app. The alert includes high-definition video footage captured by the cameras, allowing you to assess the situation remotely. Sentry Mode can detect various incidents, such as suspicious activity around the vehicle, helping to deter potential theft or vandalism. Sentry Mode offers several key benefits. It acts as a deterrent against theft and vandalism by making potential criminals aware they're being watched. In case of an incident, it provides valuable high-definition video evidence that can be used for insurance claims or police reports. The system is designed to operate efficiently, using minimal battery power while parked. Tesla's integrated Dashcam provides continuous recording of the road ahead and behind your vehicle. Unlike traditional aftermarket dashcams that require separate installation, Tesla's system is built directly into the windshield and rear window for a seamless experience. The Dashcam automatically detects and saves important clips during significant events, such as sudden braking or vehicle impacts. This AI-driven event detection ensures critical moments are captured without manual intervention. These saved clips serve as a digital black box, providing valuable evidence for insurance claims or legal disputes. The footage can help verify what happened during an incident, potentially saving time and reducing costs in resolving matters. Unlike separate aftermarket dashcams that need to be purchased and installed separately, Tesla's Dashcam is fully integrated into the vehicle. This provides a cleaner installation and ensures the system works seamlessly with other Tesla features. Premium subscribers can access cloud storage options, allowing footage to be securely backed up and accessed remotely through the Tesla app. This ensures important recordings are preserved even if something happens to the vehicle. The system uses AI to intelligently detect and flag incidents for review. It also includes bidirectional audio recording, capturing both interior and exterior sounds to provide complete context during events. Footage can be easily viewed through the Tesla dashboard settings or the mobile app, making it simple to review and share recordings when needed. In real-world scenarios, such as the highway incident shown, dashcam footage has proven invaluable in legal disputes, providing clear evidence of what transpired. This feature is widely used, with dashcam active in over 80% of Tesla vehicles worldwide, contributing to enhanced safety and peace of mind for drivers. Tesla's parking assist uses cameras and ultrasonic sensors to make parking easier and safer. The system provides real-time visual guidance on the touchscreen, showing obstacles and helping with low-speed maneuvers like reverse or parallel parking. Cameras positioned around the vehicle capture a 360-degree view, while ultrasonic sensors emit sound waves to detect nearby objects. This combination creates a detailed picture of the parking environment. On the touchscreen, drivers see a visual overlay that highlights obstacles in real time. The system can even automate parking, steering the vehicle into the spot while you control acceleration. Recent updates like Smart Summon allow remote vehicle movement within 200 feet using cameras. This handles tighter spaces with high accuracy, reducing parking accidents by about 20% according to Tesla data. Parking Assist particularly benefits seniors and those with mobility challenges, reducing stress and preventing minor accidents in tight spaces. As of 2025, Tesla has refined its camera systems through iterative software updates and hardware integrations, driven by the rollout of full self-driving supervised V12 and beyond. FSD V12 introduced city streets navigation, allowing hands-free driving in urban environments. Cameras now incorporate enhanced night vision capabilities and better handling of complex scenarios like unprotected left turns or multi-lane interactions. In Sentry Mode, AI-powered object recognition now distinguishes between humans, animals, and vehicles to reduce false alerts. The Dashcam now supports bidirectional audio recording, improving its evidentiary value for insurance or legal purposes. Future trends in Tesla's camera technology include increased AI integration, with over-the-air updates enabling continuous improvement. There's also a growing focus on privacy and security, with trends toward on-device processing and user-controlled data sharing. Multimodal sensors, combining cameras with thermal imaging, will enhance reliability in adverse conditions. Real-world examples show Tesla's camera systems in action. A Tesla Model Y using Autopilot avoided a multi-vehicle pileup on California's I-5 by detecting erratic vehicles ahead and applying emergency braking. The cameras captured the incident, providing valuable evidence for insurance claims and validating the system's predictive safety features. Another example involves a Tesla Cybertruck's Sentry Mode. While parked, it detected motion and recorded an attempted break-in in Los Angeles. The detailed footage aided police in apprehending the suspects, demonstrating how Sentry Mode enhances vehicle security in urban environments. Finally, in a rear-end collision case in Texas, a Tesla owner's dashcam footage disproved the plaintiff's claim, saving thousands in legal fees. This example underscores how dashcam serves as an impartial black box, helping to prevent fraudulent insurance claims and provide accurate incident documentation. These real-world cases illustrate the practical benefits of Tesla's camera systems, from preventing accidents to securing vehicles and resolving disputes, ultimately contributing to safer and more secure driving experiences.